what we're doing here is we're doing a 101 point check around the bus. We're using the most modern technology that is actually out there at the moment. We do use a paper check for backup as well, but it's actually done on the phone now, and we have an app on the phone. So we record any issues or faults that we've actually find on the bus. Usually very little, you know, it could be just a mark on the bus or the bodywork or whatever else. The maintenance is so strong here, there is actually very little to be done. But if there is a fault, it's recorded immediately, and then it's sent back to our transport manager, who is Kevin, who's obviously one of the owners, and from there he gets the repair done on the spot. Every tour you go out on is different. You have, you know, small family groups, big family groups, and I suppose if you come back to the lads here themselves, you're looking at their loyalty, their trust, and their friendship. And their friendship extends from their own family as well.